This is the 7 Plus LCD tester, which will work for 8 plus 2. You just need to connect with one flex cable here. This one no need. So you click here, you connect here, and then click the power button. So this light will on. It will show this kind of image, and you click the S1 button. It will change the image. But this one, it is a broken one already. We just use it to demo here. And if you click S2 for longer time, it will show this. And then you just go across the corners. Oh, this one is broken already. Once you go across like this, and it will show all green, and then it will show a pass here. So this is for the touch test. And this test, it is for all the iPhone 6s until 8 Plus.